Well everyone, welcome back to a fresh YouTube video. We're up at the house this morning, me and Chris. The front's been pointed now, looks better now. We're just going to need to point this gable end. So we just need to get this chiselled out. All the top there, just get it all chiselled out ready for pointing. Skip's full, so that needs to go soon. I'll get a bit more stuff in that yet though. So let's go see what Chris is on with. How's it going, Chris?
Alright.
What you on with, badge?
I'm just get this floor up here.
You're getting it clean. What you on with, tanking?
Yeah. Let's tank all this up.
Get it all tanked up, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you starting?
We'll start down here.
Right down this window wall, yeah?
Yeah.
Metre high and about 6 inch onto concrete floor.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it's not like that, right?
it's banging, right?
Looks better, doesn't it? We've ripped this stud down and put a fresh stud in there because it was like a dog's back leg. So once plumber and electrician have sorted out the wires up there, then we can reboard that. Plasterer's coming tomorrow. Look, my brother, he's going to dab all these walls and bring it all back into nice square rooms there, Chris.
Yeah, indeed, you know.
And then he's going to come and plaster this kitchen out. Chris, eh?
Yeah.
Knock a bit of that, put a bit of tanking on that reveal there and round there. Alright.
Just round here.
Just a little bit, just a bit ropey around there. Yeah, so it's all going on. So plasterboard has been done up there as well. I'll show you up there in a bit. So, and then we've got a bit of wallpaper to start stripping as well, so
That's getting done.
That's-
This tanky.
Chris is going to start that this afternoon. So it's all good. I've got a few errands to run this morning. I've got to go and pick some leaflets up for the firewood business. They're ready. I've also got to send a few parcels of firewood that were sold. Some lengths of timber. They're going. So yeah, nice Monday morning. The main thing is everyone's happy. And I hope you're all happy as well. Don't forget to leave some questions in the comments. We're going to do a Q&A soon, me, Chris and Luke in the unit down in the new office. So bang them questions in, boys and girls. Right, let's crack on. Right, so basically what you do with that slurry, obviously you mix it up in the griller tub there, and Chris is just applying now with the silver brush. It's like a thick paste, isn't it, Chris?
Yeah.
Metre high. Put a tray underneath to stop any slop going on the floor, then we can reuse it. About 30 quid a bloody tub that. So we mixed 2 tubs up there. That hopefully should sim most to this front room, hopefully. And then we've got 1 more tub. We should have enough to do all that. Just behind the front door, and in the little front room there's a little bit to do in there. But standing back in the corner in the front room, the main front room, it's quite a big size. We were contemplating obviously putting an open log burner in here, but for a renter, we're not going to do it. Just going to put an electric fire on and they can use the radiators because insurance purposes. But yeah, and then obviously downstairs there's another big room here, which could potentially be a little bedroom if anyone wanted to put a bed in it. Just that wall there to do. All them plasterboards will be used up tomorrow. Probably have to go and get a few more actually. But like I said, I've got to go and do some errands now, so I'm going to leave Chrissy to it. And we'll catch up with him later on in the afternoon, see how he's got on. Right, Chris has done most of the tanking, just got a little bit left to do in that front room, but you can see there, roughly a metre high and about 6 inch onto the floor. Obviously, because I'll show you outside, this house, the path is above, as you can see it runs up there, so the front room inside is lower than the path. So anything, obviously water running down there could penetrate through. That's why we need to put that tanking on. So we need to put a tilt fillet across the bottom there, sand and cement, just so if any water does come there, it comes right down and washes off down the path into the drain down there. Like I said, I've ordered the windows and doors. There's not really much more I can show you. The rooms upstairs are the same as down here, just ready to be plastered, or plasterboarded. Tell you what we did find, where my brother and Chris has been brewing up on the top electric meter. If you just look up there, I don't know if you can see that there There's a dead rat what's stuck in the pipe. And must have died inside the copper pipe, must have got his foot stuck. But the old bloke we got this house off, obviously an old bloke who was 90-year-old, I think he were. Weren't the cleaners of houses. But yeah, there were dead rats in there. We took the sink out and there were a nest under there as well, which were full of crisp bags, and I think about 2 or 3 dead rats. So that needs sorting, that needs bricking up, which is better than nothing. The back garden is not a big yard, but not a big yard, but at least the tenants won't fill it full of rubbish. This shed's going to get knocked down, put in the skip, pull the roof off it. Decent sized shed, but it's going. We're going to get filled full of crap, so I'm going to rip that off, get it in the skip. New back gate on. Like I said, it's a big house if you look at it. It is an higgledy-piggledy thing. That chimney's not even ours. It's a bit of a weird one. But yeah, knock this pointing off. Get all this pointed up. Down to there, and the old coal chute. Let it skip. Like I said, the roof in the skip. New back gate on. Tidied up. Brand new house again, ready for a renter tenant to come in. Should hopefully achieve, looking for 650, 700 quid a month maybe. Oh, he's done that bit as well. Yeah, 650, 700 pound a month is probably the going rate around here for a 2-bedroomed, but it's going to be brand new. So I don't think it's too bad that. I've picked all the leaflets up now. Luke's down the unit, he's doing a few orders are coming in. So I'm going to go and feed the pigeons this morning. I've put a lot of rings on them yesterday because they're getting bigger now, so I'm going to go down there in a minute, get them sorted. So right, see you soon.
Right, I'm back from coal yard, going to load the coal now. As easy as that. This is an Oxbow yellow, that, smokeless. Another full pallet gone through. Dean's going to pick the building supplies up. I don't know if he's shown you that. To do that bit of a dint in the floor. Get that sorted.
That one was lifted as well when over it.
Right.
Yeah, it lifted a bit.
There's stone flags underneath, innit?
Yeah.
Get them weighed in though, eh?
Yeah,
Pull them up with a big old mill flag probably. Yeah, luckily I checked that because the bloke put it on and I'd peeled the cellophane back and it was red.
Right.
I said, come on mate, I want the yellow. So anyway, that's sorted. Probably back next week, end of this week for the next few days for some more red anyway.
Ah, good.
So that's about it. Chris is up at house. Is he coming back down shortly?
I'm going to go up now, see how it's progressed now.
Yeah, see what he's doing. Let Dean take camera, see what he's been on with and see if he's done out, that's all. See if he's sat on his phone.
Who, me?
Chris.
Oh, Chris will be sat on his phone. I've also got to go and pick up a 13-plate cash guy in a minute, so I'll take you along up there for that. I've got another 13-plate cash guy to pick up tomorrow as well, so that's weird. 2 coming in within 20 minutes.
Oh, it's the same size.
No, I had to do 2 different regs. So
has the customer been down and dropped some bags off?
it was just our Dave go and pick them up, drop them off.
Happy days.
So that can be filled for the pallet wood.
That'll do. That'll do.
Have you showed them that new one?
No, I ain't showing him that one, no.
They come down again, the bloke who made the bird boxes. Look at that one, he's made that one now.
So that's it. Even movable chairs, table and chairs.
I don't know if it's a subscriber or someone through his Kindling page asked if they can post one out to someone in Leicester. So I said I can box one up, there's no problem there. So Luke's got the stilly out. I think he's going to have a tackle that probably maybe tomorrow, one day this week for that.
I need some petrol for this still, sorry.
Anyway, so we need to get some petrol so I can chop that up and get that boxed off. But anyway, I'll go and see what Chris is doing. I need to feed my pigeons and I need to go and pick this car up, so it's all go. Here's a little van we bought as well, offers rival. Don't be ringing that number, boys, ring us for the logs. So we're going to get Luke's going to take this van, going to take the sign written off and leave the season door wood logs on. That's Chris's job. What are you doing, Chris? Are you full of shit?
Yeah, doing that my tanking, weren't I?
Right, open that door before I tank you up.
Alright, bro.
We're going to go get this cash guy now, pal. And we've got a 64 plate Zafira.
No.
Lovely. Are you climbing over?
Oh, the best be easy.
What do you mean? There's no wheels on them.
I'm going down unit head.
Luke's not happy with you.
Why?
You were up late this morning.
Seems off too.
Half when?
Off too, lad.
Are you ratting your head? Why are you not sleeping?
Slept too much at weekend.
Don't talk out your arse.
Don't be like that with me. I was
Slept
sick
too much at the weekend.
Yeah.
You've been up all the weekend, you mean?
No, I haven't.
Don't you lie. Get over there before I blacken you. Right, let's go get these cars. Right, folks, this is the one, 13 plate. Starts and guard, but it's in limp mode. It's done 115,000, 6-speed box. Not a bad level car, really. A couple of little dings on it, but probably will go again, I'm not sure. Shed the parts off the to do with the engine. It's in limp mode, only driving at 5 miles an hour. Chris, is there no power in it, Chris? Don't hold that while I get up there and see if I get it on.
I will do.
Do you think it'll get on or not?
I don't know. I might have to get winch out here. See if it does it, eh?
Sorted?
Yeah.
That'll do, she's on.
She's on, isn't she?
I don't mess about like Chrissy people. I'll show them round it inside. I'm not a messer like you.
No, when I was revving it, it went back about 1 mile an hour.
Yeah. Handbrake's not very good on pick up. Right, we'll get a strap put on this. We'll get it took home. I bet you I'll sell this. Should be wages in this one. So yeah, easy to go. Right, 14 plate Vectra. Well, the Vectra. I've seen a Vectra for about 15 years. Zafira. On with that one next. See you soon. Right, Chris has just nipped on the pen just to feed them babies and feed the pigeons. He's going to get them topped up. The bloke with the Zafira has got to go somewhere else, so he's busy, so that's not a go. We've sold the cash guy, that's gone. Made a bit of profit on that. So now we've just got to go and pick up a transit pickup, but no, but it's a chassis cab, ex-scaffolding wagon, engine gone on a 62 or a 63 reg. So we're going to see if I can get it on the Sprinter. With having no body on it, it's just a chassis cab. We'll probably just be on the legal limit. I don't think it'll be much over anyway. Wink wink. No, I don't think it'll be overloaded. It's a long wheelbase, I think, so hopefully there'll be a little bit of hangover on the back, but not too much, so you can still see the lights. Just wondering if the back wheels will go on. That's the only problem. So we're going to go up and have a look anyway, so we'll show you the transit when we get there, boys and girls, so keep your eyes peeled. Well, we didn't film putting the transit on, but wish I should have done now, because there's Pal Blue, how are you doing, buddy? Whose van it were, said we could have filmed there, but we didn't want to film it getting on just in case it was a bit stressful, but it went on alright, didn't it, Chris? Yeah. It's got some decent tyres on it. This will probably end up getting broke for parts, so I think the engines of these they'll go abroad anyway, they'll go export, I think, on them. Well, she's hanging over about 3 or 4 foot, pulled it like it were nothing. I do need to get some more straps though, because that was knackered. Cheap Chinese shit. We're 62 plate chassis cab, X scaffolding wagon. Engine's complete, minus the alternator. What else? Interior, there's a few bits been took for interior, fair enough. And the back, they're putting on another scaffolding wagon. So yeah, I love seeing old girls working. That's like an 05 plate there with a 62 plate on her back. Ours has done 400 odd thousand, hasn't it, Chris? Can't beat the old sprinters, can you, bud?
They're just crap.
Scrappers, aren't they?
I don't like them.
But yeah, no, another one off the road. Like I said, there's a Fiera's not coming just yet because the chap's not ready for it just at the minute, and there's another cash car to pick up tomorrow. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Another one for a Monday. So don't forget, people, keep commenting, liking and subscribing, and say hello to Chrissy.
Hello.
Right, say bye bye now, Chrissy.
Bye bye. I'm going home now on the bus all the way to Ballandswick for an hour.
Fall asleep at bus, son.
I always do.
See you later, boys and girls.